The weight is now on the left side, and we have shoulder width and a half between the feet. The bottom, the right foot is going to come in until it's shoulder width. Then we're going to turn, and it's going to go out, in, shoulder width and a half. Shoulder width and a half, shoulder width. Keep the waist closed on the right side until the left leg has gone out. Then turn the waist. Close, let the leg empty and follow you. Turn, close, let the left leg empty. Turn out slightly, but not too much. Also, the hands don't, because if your fingers are too relaxed, too floppy, that means there's not concentration in the center. You must concentrate the chi around the bone. Okay, we have this concentration thing, and it appears very well in wave hands in cloud, in that you're doing this kind of floppy thing because you think you're relaxed, but it's relaxation and concentration. So the arm is not tense, but it's concentrated, like orange juice. It mustn't be floppy.